Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, March 1st, 2025. Happy new month, right? So this video is going to be titled New Month, New Goals, How to Stay Focused and Achieve More. All right, because so many people reach out to me. They're broke, they want to make money from home, and then months go by and I see the same people doing the same exact thing, which is nothing. All right, most people don't take any steps to change their life. And it's sad, really, because it's not that hard to do if you stay committed and stay consistent. All right. So I thought I would just do a video about that and how you can, have more success this month. We're already 3 months into the new year. We're in our third month of the new year, and I know that most people's New Year's resolutions are gone by now, and most people just settle back into the life they have, which, most people don't even like that. They go to a 9-to-5 job they don't like. They just try to get through the week so that they can, live for the weekend. And then they're in that continuous cycle, So if you've never seen any of my videos, my name's Russ. I've been in the work from home space for the last 18 years. And I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And I'm super passionate about helping people create mailbox money. It's just what I love to do. I mean, I eat, sleep, and breathe it. So, the first thing that you want to do to have more success this month, all right, you want to reflect and reset. What does that mean? That means take a look at last month and go over everything. What worked for you? What didn't work for you? What can you do differently? What can you do better? What steps can you take that you didn't take last month? You want to learn from last month. You want to look at your wins and you want to look at your losses. Okay? Always analyze that stuff. When you get right into it and you analyze things like that, you get a better picture of what it is that is working and what isn't working. Keep track of all this stuff. It's important to do, especially when you're just starting out. So the second step you want to do is you want to set smart goals, right? You want to have clear, actionable goals and set time limits to these goals, So for example, maybe you want to make one post on Facebook every day. Maybe you want to do 3 YouTube videos every single week. And set those goals and then write it down. All right, I'm going to make a video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm going to upload it to YouTube. I'm going to share it on Facebook. I'm going to create a positivity post for Facebook every single day. Write these goals down, okay? That's what you want to do. And you want to plan and take action. You just don't want to think about these goals and then never take action, because it's so easy just to be like, oh, tomorrow I'm going to do this and do that. And then tomorrow comes, and then the next day comes, and then the next day comes, and you didn't get anything done. So you want to plan and take action, okay? And you don't have to set huge goals either. Make these, break them down into daily and weekly goals. Make them attainable. Have the big goals, but then each week just break them down into smaller goals so that you're not overwhelmed. If I say this month I want to get 100 new signups, it's possible, but that's probably not, going to happen, to be honest, right? So it's better if I say this week I'm going to get 3 new signups. All right, and then strive to get those 3 signups, and then do the same thing for next week. Next week, I'm going to get 3 new signups. All right, so take your goals and just break them down into smaller, more actionable steps that are more feasible. Okay, and then as you start hitting those goals, then you can ramp them up a little bit. And the biggest thing I always tell everybody is you have to stay consistent. That's the key to everything. Even if you only make 1 YouTube video a week, stay consistent and do 1 video every single week. Consistency is what wins the game. It's what separates the 2% earners online from the 98% of people who don't earn online. Is just taking action every day, showing up every day, taking massive action and staying consistent, doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. All right, if you watch my videos, they're all the same. Right? All my videos are all the same. I speak the same thing. It might be different ways that I approach my videos, but it's all the same stuff. It's show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. That's what you want. That's what wins the ball game. Right? You think Michael Jordan got to be where he was by only practicing once a week? Do you think Tiger Woods got to be the best golfer in the world by just practicing once a week? You think the best violinist becomes the best violinist by only practicing once a week? These people they're dedicated. They eat, sleep, and breathe whatever it is that they want to be the best at. So you have to stay consistent. That is, I can't emphasize it enough. That is, if you only do one thing that I tell you, just stay consistent every day. Do something for your business every single day. All right? Expose 2 people to your business opportunity minimum every single day. 2 people. Now, if you watched my video I did last night, my live, I talked about how I only use Facebook and YouTube for my social media platforms because there's over 5 billion monthly users on those platforms. You think that you could make one post every day? One post? It's not that hard to do. And the thing of it is once you start doing it, and if you do it for 30 days, it becomes a natural habit. You know, even when you don't feel like doing it. Like, there's days where I don't want to make a video. There's days I don't even want to go on social media. But I know that in order for me to continue to grow my business, it's something I have to do. You don't take days off. I love these people that are like, well, it's the holidays, I'm going to take a day off. It's like, you can make a post in under 5 minutes. You can shoot a video in under 5 minutes. You're not that busy. People act like they're so busy, and they're busy doing nothing. They're busy doing absolutely nothing. The majority of people. They think about it, and they have all these goals, and they love the idea of being financially free and having time freedom and being able to do what they want, when they want, for as long as they want, and not worrying about cash flow. They love that idea of it. But when it comes to actually taking action and doing the work to get to that place, they just don't do it for some reason. I don't know if it's, I think because most people are afraid to fail, And you have to understand that success lives outside the fear box. So in order to be successful at anything, you have to get out of your comfort zone and step into reality and understand that nothing comes easy in life, right? You have to work hard to get where you want to be. Even the biggest, richest people in the world. You look at Elon Musk. All right? He slept on a couch for 10 years in his friends' homes before he ever became successful. You always see these people that are, they're making money and they're super rich and all that, but you rarely ever hear the stories of how they got there and what they went through to get to those places, to where they are now. And most of them it's like, oh my gosh, I couldn't imagine couch surfing for 10 years before before I would have success. I just can't imagine that. But the people at the top, the people, even in the marketing world, the people at the top, they understand that it's not always a walk in the park. You have to go through its ups and downs, especially if you're an entrepreneur. It's ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. You have to be able to get through those ups and downs, right? So I'm going on 10 minutes here. I know I'm just rambling on, but the point of it is that it's a new month. If you've been slacking for the first 2 months of this year, there's no better time than to step up your game than right now. Start this new month off on a positive note. Start taking action right now. You know, there's no reason not to. I just partnered with a high 6-figure, soon-to-be 7-figure earner and an 8-figure earner in a new opportunity. It's not a new opportunity. It's a new opportunity to me. And it's just something I'm adding to my income streams. And this month, I'm going to really dig in and start building this business. You can do the same thing. You know, if you're looking for an opportunity, or you want to partner with me and work with me, then go to joinruss.com, right? This is my domain name, joinruss.com. Go check it out. Check out the opportunities that I'm a part of. Click that first link, replace your job now. That's the new opportunity that I'm a part of. It's not, like I said, it's not a new opportunity. It's been around a long time, but it's new to me. And we're building it out right now. Stop being afraid. It's okay if you fail. Right? It's okay to fail. I failed so many times in my life. I failed so many times. I've done the dumbest stuff that I don't even want to tell people about. How much I've sucked at life sometimes. To be truthful, you know? I've had addictions to alcohol, drugs. I've been in and out of rehabs when I was younger. I smoked pot every day for 25 years. Right? I was like borderline loser. And if I can do it, you can do it. All right? And if you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page I put together. It has over 80 different places that you can advertise and share your opportunities online. 99% of those places are free. You're going to get the exact same a letter template that I use to send out in my weekly mailings. I do direct mail. And you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any help. All right? Also on joinruss.com, you can join my newsletter. You can join my Inner Circle membership. I'm here to help you out. I'm here to serve you. That is what I feel my alignment is, my calling to do. I want to help people become successful because there was a time when I wasn't. And I know what it's like to be, you know, broke. I lived in my truck for a while back in the day. I slept on a park bench for a while. I mean, it was really bad. I don't tell people this stuff a lot, but it's true. You know, I had major issues. And I've turned my life around, and I have success now in business. And I can help you too if you're willing to show up every day, take major action, and stay consistent. Okay? So, it's a new month. Set new goals. Stay focused and achieve them. There's no reason not to. There's no excuse not to. All right? So, listen, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So, with that being said, I hope you have a great first day of the new month. I hope you have a great week. And I hope that you can set some goals and crush them. All right? Leave them down in the comment. What are your goals for this month? Let me know. All right? I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.